Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of businesses are stepping up. Some are donating products and others are donating money. I spoke to Tommy McClure from the Columbus Fashion Council and Lubna Najjar with IL Moda PR about how their fashion expertise is going to help people working in hospitals.
The Columbus Fashion Council has rolled out an initiative just recently, realizing that there is a shortage of PPE, specifically masks and gowns. And Columbus is number 3 in the nation for fashion designers. So we have this unique opportunity to step up to the plate with our community, our fashion community, to create more masks and gowns. Our local designers that are already on board, like Gerardo Encinas, Joan Madison, Quintessa Dion, Matt and Rian, are already making masks right now. And our celebrity designers, such as Alex Vinash, who dressed Billy Porter for the Golden Globes. Remember that white gown? And then Adolfo Sanchez, who was just on Next in Fashion on Netflix. They're also on board. They're pulling their resources to figure out how to get masks also to the hospitals and whatnot through our initiative.
And Lubna, let's talk to you because you use your fashion resources in terms of connecting with factories overseas that you work with and getting them to make masks. And you got other businesses on board, so tell me about that.
Yeah, so when Tommy and the Columbus Fashion Council put this initiative out there, we really wanted to do our part. And day in and day out, we're developing apparel brands all over the world with our overseas factories. And so we said, instead of just creating luxury goods, why don't we do something for good? And so we connected with local hospital systems and we said, we asked for the exact specs, the exact fabrication of what these masks are made of. So if we were to do a donation, we wanted to make sure we were within the specificity that they were putting out there. They are considered homemade masks. They are not medical grade. They can be used by patients and folks taking care of them, going to the grocery store, just, doing kind of every day in and day out services for yourself, essential and non-essential activity. And so what we wanted to do is say, let's do the research. And let's do it through the nonprofit to give a lot of other businesses an opportunity to donate to the cause. And so we, as a business, committed 1,000 masks, and then we opened it up to some of our clients, and they could not be more excited to be part of the effort. So we've gotten local businesses within the apparel industry, as well as those outside of it. We've got Moby Dick Media, Petula Active, Mingus Furs, Side Hustle Inc. and Apparel, DigiCrush, and local philanthropist Leif Calef to give to this cause. And so now we're at over 5,500 masks as a donation, all within a call out after 3 days. So people are doing, they want to make a difference, and it's excellent to be able to do it directly this way.
And it looks like those masks are being made right now, and you plan to get them pretty soon.
Absolutely. They are planning to ship next week. We were advised by the same factory that they've been called out to make 250 million masks a month for the United States alone. That fact just came through right now as I'm talking to you. And so our 5,500 is now additional to that 250 million that's importing to the U.S. this month.
Well, we need them. And Thomas, I know you're looking for more people to help out in terms of making masks, possibly gowns. So what exactly are you looking for? What kind of help?
Well, if you're a designer, if you have a sewing machine and just know how to sew, that's the kind of help we're looking for. Or if you're a business or a company that just wants to donate towards the creation of masks, you can visit our website, columbusfashioncouncil.org. There is a dedicated page for COVID-19 response, and there's a form on there you can fill out. There are patterns for the mask, there are resources and drop-off locations listed as well as all of our contributors. So that is something too. We do want to thank our contributors by placing them on that page, once they come on board with this initiative.
I love it. I love that all these businesses are coming together. Fashion designers are finding a new way to help out. And I love what the Columbus Fashion Council is doing to make all of this possible, to make sure we have enough masks because we know we need them. So thank you so much for your time and good luck with everything. I know you guys are going to be pretty busy over the next few weeks.
Thank you, Karina.
And all those masks that are being made overseas will be washed by non-hazardous chemicals suitable for human breathing and will be packed individually before they send them over. Good to see that.